Hello students, very warm welcome back in this channel. Today's topic traversal algorithm. It's so in my previous lecture where I taught about traversal algorithm, but that part was the theoretical part. Okay, where I only try to make you understand the basic about traversal algorithm. In this part, I would like to use the code regarding this. So definitely this part is the practical part. Okay, so students, if you are new for this channel and really curious to know about that, then you may visit my playlist. Now let us start and try to understand about traversal algorithm. What is traversal algorithm and why do I need to require traversing? Okay, आपने नोटिस किया होगा in the linked list case, if I try to print any particular element, so in that case traversing is required. We cannot print any particular element, we cannot insert any element, we cannot delete any element after using that index id like array. array के जैसा हम इंडेक्स आईडी को यूज करते हुए किसी भी पार्टिकुलर एलिमेंट को प्रिंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, किसी भी पार्टिकुलर एलिमेंट को इंसर्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं, डिलीट नहीं कर सकते हैं इन द लिंक लिस्ट केस. इन दैट केस ट्रैवर्सिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड. ध्यान दिया होगा जहां हम लोग स्टार्ट करते थे फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट नोड टू नेक्स्ट 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 लाइक दिस. ओके, now when I talk about a non-linear data structure, tree is what? This is the types of non-linear data structure जैसा कि हमने previous lecture में बताया. And if I try to represent our elements, so in this case we can represent our element in the hierarchical structure. And when I try to visit any particular node, when I try to print any particular element, when I try to insert element, delete any element, so in that case traversing is required. So in this case there are three ways by which we can traverse, by which traversing is possible. Okay, like in-order traversal, pre-order traversal and post-order traversal. Okay, in-order traversal की बात करें, so here we must visit at first left node, now root node, now right node. Okay, when I talk about a pre-order traversal, so here at first this will print your root node, now this visit your left node, now right node. Okay, and when I talk about a post-order traversal, so in this case at first here we visit left node, now right node, now at last this print your root node. Okay, then at last this print your root node value. Okay, so now let us start and try to understand how can we use code. Okay, so the first case is what? First, in order traversing के केस में, in order traversing के केस में करना क्या है कि simple, here I use a condition if our root is not equal to null ptr. अगर हमारा root not equal to null ptr होगा, so in this case this is the function in order and this point at first root, this will point your left node. Okay, now this print your data that point your root node, जो कि आपके root node data को जो point करते रहा चला जाएगा, this will print your data, the value that will store here. Okay, now this visit in order, now root that will point your right node. Okay, so this is about your in order traversing. Now when I talk about प्री ऑर्डर ट्रैवर्सिंग, अब अगर प्री ऑर्डर ट्रैवर्सिंग की बात की जाए, प्री ऑर्डर ट्रैवर्सिंग की बात की जाए, सो हियर this function also here we must pass parameter according to our requirement. Now we check again. Here I use if condition. Okay, if our root node is not equal to null ptr, root node is not equal to, अगर null ptr होगा, so in this case at first this print your root. Okay, this is the pre-order traversing. In the in-order traversing, at first this check if root is not equal to null ptr. अगर आपका root जो है वो not equal to null ptr है, then this will visit in order, this will visit your left node. Now this print. Okay, so left, now this print your root, now this print your right node. Okay, but in the pre-order case, at first this check the condition, and as soon as the condition will satisfied, so this case this print at first your root. Okay, so cout here root, that will point your data. Okay, for a space, and again pre-order, and here the root, that will visit your left node. Okay, and again here I use a pre-order, that will visit your right node, like this. Okay, so this is about a pre-order traversing. Okay, now when I talk about a post order traversing, अब अगर post order traversing की बात की जाए, post order traversing, definitely this is the function, ये हमारा function है, and here I will like to pass a parameter according to our requirement, and in this case again here I check condition if our root is not equal to null ptr. अगर हमारा root not equal to null ptr होगा. Okay, so in this case at first this will visit your left node, then right node, post order, this visit here your root, this will point your left, at first this visit your left node, now again this post order, and this visit your right node, root, this visit your right node, then last this print your root. So here cout, and here the root, that point your data. Okay, so simple. This is the trick by which traversing is possible, and we can print our element. So now let us start and try to understand. Yeah, in my previous lecture where I try to make you understand how can we insert element after using tree concept. Okay, so here this part for the insertion. Yeah, this part for the insertion, and here I have also insert element like 50. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, I have insert element like 50, 10, 40, 90, 80, 11, 30, like this. Okay, now at first here I am going to use in order traversing. Okay, so for this this is the comment section, and here in order traversing. Okay, in order traversing, at first here I am going to use the function void in order. Okay, and inside this here I would like to pass the parameter. So this is the node, and this is the variable जो कि हमारा pointer type है. Okay, and inside this part again here I am going to check the condition. So if अगर हमारा root is not equal to null ptr हो, ठीक है, अगर हमारा root is equal not equal to null ptr हो, so in this case in order traversing at first in order where the root that will point your left node. Okay, left node. Now this print your value. So here the root that will point your data. Okay, after space. Now again in order, yeah, here the root that will point your right node. Simple. Okay, now terminate this. In order का rule हमारा क्या है? Left, root, right. Okay, at first this visit your left node, now this will visit your root node, and now this will visit your right node. Okay, so left, now this print your root, now here it is visit your right node. Okay, now this for in order traversing, and inside the main, yeah, here inside the main, here I would like to call the in order. So देखते जाओ one by one. Cout, and this is the message in order traversing. Okay, for the new line here I use int l. Now terminate this, and here I would like to call in order function. So in order, and here I would like to pass argument जो कि हमारा क्या होगा, root होगा. Clear? Now save this. Now execute this. Yeah, this is the in order traversing. Here we have the element like 50, 10, 40, 90, 80, 11 and 30 जो कि हमने insert किया था in my previous lecture. Students, if you are new for this channel, then you may visit my previous lecture. Okay, so this is the second part for that. So in order traversing, this print your element like this. Okay, now the next one, pre-order traversing. अब pre-order traversing की बात की जाए, so again here I use the next function void pre-order. Okay, pre-order, and inside this again I would like to pass the parameter. 1 minute, here I would like to write the comment pre-order. Okay, now inside this here I would like to pass the parameter will what, so this is the node, this is the data type, and root, this is the variable. Okay, now again here I would like to check the condition. If our root is not equal to null ptr. ओके, अब अगर हमारा रूट नोड इज नॉट इक्वल टू नल पीटीआर होगा, सो इन द प्री ऑर्डर ट्रैवर्सिंग में क्या होगा, एट फर्स्ट दिस शुड बी प्रिंट योर रूट नोड वैल्यू. सबसे पहले हम लोगों को क्या चाहिए, रूट नोड वैल्यू चाहिए. सो डायरेक्टली हियर आई एम गोइंग टू प्रिंट आवर रूट नोड वैल्यू. सो cout and this print root that will point your data part. ओके, जो कि आपके डेटा पॉइंट पार्ट को पॉइंट कर रहा है, एंड हियर आई वुड लाइक टू पुट द स्पेस. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट प्री ऑर्डर. ओके, प्री ऑर्डर रूट प्रिंट करने के बाद ये विजिट करेगा कहाँ? सो रूट दिस विल पॉइंट योर लेफ्ट नोड, ये आपके लेफ्ट नोड को विजिट करेगा. नाउ अगेन pre-order and here the root, this will point your right node. Okay, now terminate this. So this for pre-order traversing. Okay, at first root, now left, now right, like this. Okay, so again inside the main, here I would like to call the pre-order. So cout and this message for pre-order traversing. Okay, indel, and here I would like to call a pre-order ORDER. Okay, spelling mistake nahi na, pre-order. Okay, and this is the argument that I pass. Now save this, now execute this. Yeah, so you may notice over that this is the pre-order traversing. 1 minute, here I need one times indel also. Okay, here int l, here. Okay, int l for the new line. Okay, now save this, now execute this. Yeah, so now notice over that this print your 50, 10, 40, 11, 30, 90 and 80. Okay, so this is what? This is the pre-order traversing value. Now at last for the post-order traversing, again here I would like to use the next function. Function will what? Void post order. Okay, and again here I would like to pass the parameter जो कि हमारा node structure type data type है, and this is the variable root. Okay, and here I would like to write the comment regarding this. So this is the post order traversing. This is the post order traversing, and yeah, this is the part. Again here I am going to check the condition. So if root is not equal to null ptr. Okay, so in this case at first in the post order traversing, at first this visit your post order traversing, at first this visit your root, this will point your left node. Yeah, okay, this point your left node. Now again post order traversing, where root, this point your right node, and now again at last left, right, and at last this print your root node. So simple, here I use a cout, and here the root, this will point your data, and I need a space among them. So simple, here I use a space. Now terminate this. Okay, now inside the main, left, right, and root. Okay, this is about post order traversing. Now again here I would like to call cout indel, and this is the message for post order. Okay, and again indel for the new line, and here I would like to call the function post order, and here I would like to pass the argument like root, and terminate this. Now save this, now execute this. Yeah, you may notice that this is the result. The first one for in-order traversing, where you may notice that 10, 11, 30, 40, 50 and 90. Now the second one, this is the result for the pre-order traversing like 50, 10, 40, 11, 30, 90 and 80. And the last one, post-order traversing, where 30, 11, 40, 10, 80, 90 and 50. Okay, so thank you for watching this is all about your traversing algorithm, in order traversal, pre-order traversal and post-order traversal. If you realize the video is really helpful, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to update it with my content. Thank you for watching this. This is the syntax. You may take a screenshot. Thank you. Have a nice day.